Hi, my name is Travis. Today we'll be setting up the Particle Argon Kit, as seen here. You can get the app for the Particle Argon to set it up on the Google Play or the App Store. Just click Get Start whenever you're ready. Once you're ready, you can begin to unbox the Particle Argon. Connect the Particle Argon to the Wi-Fi antenna whenever you're ready. Using the Particle Argon app, scan the Particle Argon QR code on the circuit board. This allows you to connect to your Argon. Connect your Argon to power source, and then if you've used this before, you'll have to reset it hitting the mode in order to turn off the Wi-Fi and allow it to pair. Hit Get Start whenever you're ready. Once you've paired to your Argon successfully, you'll be asked a series of questions. Just answer the questions appropriately. You'll be then asked for a Wi-Fi network to allow the IoT device to connect to the internet. You'll then be able to name your Argon so you can identify it in a network. At this point, your Particle Argon is connected to the internet. You can tell by the cyan color that is on the instrument board. After this, you'll be able to go to the Tinker app within the Particle app, which is located in the top right hand corner. You'll be able to turn on an LED labeled D7. If you click on D7, you can click on Digital Write. This will allow you to turn on the LED. By clicking it, it will turn on the high pin state. If you click the button again, it will allow you to turn the LED off and back on again. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.